Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you a quick trick on how to communicate with brokers. So it's a form that I've created that would save you a lot of time. So you see these guys, for example, they don't post their phones, they just have an email. Okay, and I'm interested in this load from Iowa to Georgia. So I'm just going to copy his address. I'm going to go to the form that I created, and I'm just going to put Iowa to Georgia and broker's email. I'm not put his email, I'm going to put mine because I don't want to bother him. This is a test. So I put mine so you can see what the broker will get. So I hit submit and I'm done. Let's see what the broker got. I just got the email. Here's the email. Load load info from Iowa to Georgia. Hi there. I hope you're having a great day. A wonderful day. May I have the load information including times. This saves you a lot of time because in a very busy pace, you don't have time to be nice and write all these emails, so it does it for you. So we ask him the question from Iowa to Georgia, and you wait for a reply. He's gonna reply to you, and you deal with him. It took you like literally less than probably 10 seconds. So um, I'm gonna show you guys how to create this. So please subscribe to my channel, and the next video I'm gonna show you how to create it. It's super easy. It takes 3 minutes to create this form, and you save it in your bookmarks. So it's right there for you. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.